Back in December, Amplication released support for MongoDB with just the click of a button thanks to a new plugin. There's a blog post covering this on the Amplication blog explaining what MongoDB is and how to use it. You can find a link to that post in the description. Anyway, this video will show you how to enable MongoDB in your Amplication app. So, let's just get into it. Sign into the Amplication app and find the project you want to use MongoDB. Click into your service, and on the left-hand side we'll go into the plugins page. By default, Amplication uses Postgres as a database, but here we can enable MongoDB. Commit the changes and build a new version of your application. This should take about a minute. After the build is completed, a new pull request will be pushed to GitHub with all the changes migrating your application project from Postgres to Mongo. What the changes boil down to are swapping a few environment variables, setting Prisma to use Mongo, and for the Docker database YAML to spin up a MongoDB instance. Just merge in the changes and pull the code down onto your local machine. Locally, you can see all the files I mentioned before are now using MongoDB configurations. So let's just get this up and running locally. First, we'll need to generate a new Prisma client. Run the command npm run prisma generate. Then, we'll need to spin up a new instance of MongoDB. We can do that with the command npm run docker db. Unlike with SQL databases, MongoDB is schemaless and doesn't require any migrations or configurations, so we can skip the npm run db init command. However, we will want to seed the database with our admin user, so instead we'll run the command npm run seed. Be sure to start up the server project and the admin UI project. Then, at localhost 3001, sign into the admin portal. Everything should work as expected, and we're able to create a new product. But how's this any different than just using Postgres? We can access our MongoDB instance directly using the Mongo shell with the following command. Once connected, switch databases to DB name, and we can show all the collections our database has. Here you should be able to see the user collection and our product collection. Here we'll make a query to our product collection to find an element from it. The element we'll find is the product that we just created. We can then use the Mongo shell to update the price of our product, increasing the price by just $1. As you can see, I need to freshen up on my Mongo commands, but the update command did work and the update has happened. If we refresh the products page in the admin panel, we see the new price, which is exactly what we want to see. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also join our Discord community with any questions or just to chat with like-minded developers. Link in the description. Until next time, good luck.